Hi everyone, this is Professor Sanchez. Welcome to FYE 101. I'm excited to work with you all this semester, and I just wanted to give you a brief overview of what to expect in the course, particularly in week 1. I know some of you are new to CCP or new to online learning, or maybe you're just new to this class and to me, so I want you to get the hang of what I'm looking for. This is our homepage for the course. It has a little bit of information here about what to expect. A few things that are important are that the class is asynchronous, which means we don't meet online at specific times. You can complete the coursework at your own pace and on your own schedule, but that means that you have to be careful with time management for the course. It's half the battle. You will have due dates twice during the week, Thursdays and Sundays. And as we go, you'll start to see a pattern emerging in terms of which assignments are due on which days. So you want to plan accordingly. If you don't have a planner or some kind of either electronic, or paper planner, or even just a piece of paper to write stuff down on, that would be really helpful. I am available to meet with you via Zoom, and so are all the other support staff at CCP. And then when you want to get started with your work, you can click here on modules. This will take you to the work in the class, okay? Each week you'll have a pattern, okay? We will have an overview. Most weeks we'll have a discussion, reading assignments, and a quiz. This first week has 2 discussions so that we can both get to know each other and think about the syllabus for the course. Every week you will also have a mindful moment reflection, which helps you to learn about mindfulness as you go on your college journey. This is actually students in terms of feedback. Last semester and in past semesters, we've been doing this for a while, say that this was their most favorite part of the course. So I hope that you'll engage with it and enjoy. And then every week you'll have some other assignments. Now, these assignments may look like a lot, but they're not meant to take a lot of time. So we sort of give you a number of assignments each week, but something like the mindful moment is you're supposed to probably take about 15 minutes to do that assignment to have it completely done, okay? So it will depend on the week and the assignment and that sort of thing, but a lot of these aren't meant to take a lot of time. So you'll see that as we go through other weeks, you have that same pattern: overview, readings, discussion, reading quiz, mindful moment, and then some other assignments, okay? So there is a pattern. In the overview, it will explain what we're doing this week and some goals that you should be able to do at the end of the week, and then a list of tasks that you should complete. So the first is like read your syllabus. And you can use this as a checklist. Read your syllabus, check. I did that. Read all the articles, check. Complete the reading quiz, check. And so on and so forth. Okay. I'm going to go back here to modules. From here, you can also see the things that are due, right? And you'll also see due dates. So you'll see that these 2 discussions, your first post will be due on Thursday, and then you'll have peer responses due by Sunday. This reading quiz is also due by Thursday. The other 3 assignments here are due by Sunday. Okay? You can also see the point totals that go along with that as well. The last thing I want to mention about week 1 is that there is this student support link if you do need access to other things on campus, or you need some help with online learning. This can be a help to you. But most of all, if you have a question, or you have a problem, or something arises, or you just want to clarify that you're understanding something correctly, please send me an email. I am here to help you. I want you to succeed, and I will try to get back to you as soon as I possibly can. And if we need to, we can also set up a Zoom appointment to talk things through. Okay, so I hope that we have a great week 1, and that it might be a little difficult at first to get used to the course, but know that in time you'll get the hang of it, and I will help you to get comfortable if you need some extra help. All right, have a great week, everybody.